Men often overestimate the amount of times their female partner is having an orgasm. It is reported that 95% of heterosexual men have an orgasm during intercourse, in comparison to 63% of heterosexual women. What are the statistics when it comes to the female orgasm? Well, hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Kloss, a board-certified urologist with a specialization in sexual health and pelvic floor disorders. Today on the FemHealth channel, we're going to talk about the real numbers when it comes to having different types of orgasms. So, the numbers can vary depending on various factors and how orgasm is defined. Let's take a look at what the research tells us. During vaginal penetration alone, studies suggest that only about 20% of women achieve orgasm. This means that 80% of women are not orgasming solely with vaginal penetration, despite what their partners may think. But here's the good news. When clitoral stimulation is added, either during penetration or before, the likelihood of orgasm increases to about 60%. Now, the reported average time to orgasm for partnered women is 14 minutes. 8 if you're alone. Male orgasmic times are closer to 6 minutes. So what does this mean for your sex life? Well, it highlights the importance of partner communication, discussing what works for you, and incorporating clitoral stimulation during vaginal penetration. It is also important to explore different types of sexual pleasure to improve the chances of having an orgasm. Remember that open communication is important to every sexual relationship. So if you're not experiencing an orgasm and you want to, be sure to talk to your partner about it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.